You've made a great choice to partner with SAS in your journey through the data and AI lifecycle. What do we mean by the data and AI lifecycle? It's the story of starting with real questions, such as, is this drug safe? How do our customers feel? Or what is the financial risk? And then leveraging your data to make decisions based on understandable, actionable insights. SAS Viya enables you to manage data, develop models, and deploy insights, all in one platform. Powerful tools, integrations, and automations equip you to go from transforming data to making decisions faster and more efficiently. SAS's data and AI lifecycle supports the entire intelligent decisioning process for humans and AI agents. Both employees and agentic AI processes are empowered to make better data-driven decisions. Let's look closer at each phase of the data and AI lifecycle. First, the managed data phase provides an agile approach to data access, preparation, and governance. It enables greater reliability, speed, and collaboration in your efforts to operationalize data and analytic workflows. Second, in the develop models phase, data scientists use a combination of techniques to build, optimize, and validate predictive models. They use machine learning, natural language processing, forecasting, optimization, and other techniques to answer real-world questions. And third, the Deploy Insights phase focuses on automating, monitoring, and retraining AI models. The goal is to validate and deploy models as quickly as possible, while ensuring quality results and enabling transparent, automated decision-making. Your role in the data and AI lifecycle is unique. You might be focused on a particular step, such as managing data, or you might oversee the entire process. Regardless of your role, the unified collection of applications and programming languages on the SAS Viya platform enables you to use the subset of tools that you need for your job and then seamlessly share and collaborate with others. Again, you've made a great decision to partner with SAS in your analytics journey. Jump right in to see how SAS Viya can unlock the value of your data.